Gonna put on some products. You see this? Some Vaseline. And now I'm putting it up. See how my hair looks, guys? It's very shiny today. Now I'm just gonna put on my durag. Goodbye. Now I'm gonna put my durag on, guys. This is how I tie it. I first put it like this, ne? You see, this line must always be in the middle. Then I put it back. Now I'm gonna tie it. But when it's too high, just lift it a bit, like me. My friends are in Cape Town now, so you will not be seeing the one. Now I'm gonna take this one and put this one in my mouth. Now pull this one. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna tighten it up like a shoelace. Done. And this is how your durag will look at the back. Here and here. Perfect.